I want to welcome everybody aboard today. Once again, welcome back, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me guys on a Friday. I want to remind you guys here real quickly here as we wrap up our day this morning that all the material we're talking about today is for educational purposes only. Please remember there is risk out there in these markets. While we're trading our live accounts, there's live losses in the market too, so be careful out there. I'm going to teach all my members every day how to properly trade, to manage their emotions, manage their trades, manage their accounts, how to manage their technology, their computers. All right. Welcome back, though. Welcome back. My name is Joseph James. Welcome to our live trade room. If you've stuck around today, we've had a great Friday here so far. And every Friday morning, we always end up our week with Auto Trader Friday. So I want to remind you guys here, we really kicked some butt all week this week. Now we're finishing up here with the Auto Trader. And we reviewed today's Auto Trader on gold. And we saw that we had 6 winners today and 2 losses today. We've also reviewed our performance summary on gold. And we can see here over the past 30 days on gold, we've had over $5,000 in profits with very low drawdown, less than $2,500 needed, right? So an excellent week we've had here on the gold. So finishing up the week here, I have a profit target down bottom here at 13.3. Now, I wanted to show you guys something here on the gold. What's really interesting is, since this trade just triggered here live in real time, is that the automated trader takes the trades for me. Okay, the auto trader takes the trades for me. And you can see here, there's not much slippage. I'm going to be putting these results on the website this week here, Nirupam. All right, those will be posted later this week. On Fridays, I update the auto trader results. So every Friday, I update the auto trader results. So the auto trader takes the trade for me automatically. But I can exit this trade if I feel like I'm ready to take some profit, or if I feel like I may be in the wrong direction. So watch. I took this trade automatically. It did all the work for me. But I'm using some other clues right now, and this is a little bit more advanced on your auto trader. Okay, a little more advanced. I'm now going to go in and start to see where should a different stop be, or do I even have an option for a better stop? I can now begin to manipulate where my stops and targets are. Okay? Now, what's even cooler is that I can now take out my trade management chart and I can manage this trade. This is the part that I love about our auto trader, is that I can let this thing get me in automatically, which of course removes all the emotions from the market. I'll never miss a trade this way. But now watch this. Now I can properly manage the trade with a trade management chart. So here's my trade management chart. Now I can't use the chart trader function on a chart with a strategy on it, but I can use my chart trader function now on my trade management chart. So we got short from 15.3. I can see my stop now. My stop now is up top. So my stop now is up top. My target now down bottom. And again, I can use this now to properly manage my trade. So what I'll do is I'll purposely get out of this trade at 16.5 if I saw that that was going to be a better stop. Right? I can move that stop down. Now, there are many different ways in which I can use this trade management chart. Okay? I can use this trade management chart. You'll notice I may want to move that target down to a new low. All right? I may want to move it even further down. I may want to move that target closer because I see it might be different. Okay, so I'm going to use our discretionary trade management right along with an automated entry. How cool is that? And remember, every day our members and I, we do training on this. We talk about how to properly manage the trade. We talk about how to properly set the auto trader up. And we even provide a concierge service where we'll actually set it up for you. So automated trading system today alone, 6 winners, 2 losses. We're in a short right now on gold futures. And if you guys have any questions for me, please feel free to type them in. We'll have plenty of time to answer more questions. Yes, you're absolutely right, Lester. There will always be a threat of slippage when a market moves really quickly. Doesn't matter if you're auto trading or discretionary trading. Whenever a market moves violently in one direction or the other, yes, there will be threat of slippage. I do art. These are developed for NinjaTrader 7. We provide all the video tutorials, all the private lessons, all the real-time setup training to make sure this is all running properly. I provide you with the templates, which instantly add all your settings in. So all you have to do is learn some basics, how to turn your computer on, right, which I assume you know already because you're here right now, and of course, how to use the basics of NinjaTrader, which I'll walk you through. We have video tutorials, we have members trainings Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I also offer that concierge setup where we'll remote connect to your computer, right, and do it for you. So right now on the gold, I'll let this trade run on gold. It's a great example here on gold of how you can see we have a trade management chart where I can actually manage the stops and the targets. Or if I'm a brand new trader, I can go hands off and let it do all the work for me. It's completely up to me. Again, I do want to remind you all that as a member, we're going to teach you guys how to properly take these trades, how to manage these trades. We're going to teach you every bit of this. We had 2 nice fast tracks today, didn't we? Now, when we began our day, let's go back to the beginning here. When we began our day, what was the big clue? The big clue was, where's the news, right? Where's the news? No news on a Friday morning. So we talked about this morning. We had reason to believe that with such big ranges earlier this week, we had a great week this week, that today, a Friday with no news, may be just that. Not very much going on. Okay? So we knew this morning, first things first, no news on a Friday. What does that tell me? Get in early. Be prepared. Be patient. And look to get out early before things fall apart. So think about this. A Friday morning, the same reason why you and I want to get out of here and get the weekend started. It's the same reason why it'll end early. And Fridays are always all about those windows of opportunity. Those windows of opportunity. And we knew this morning we'd probably get the best opportunities between 8:30 and 10:30. And that's exactly what we did. Made some great cash today. Didn't happen, though, until after 9:30. Hey, there's that gold winner for you. So there is your gold auto trader winner. And that, of course, fully automated. It took the trade for me. I could have taken profit. I could have tried to outthink it, but let it run. It took the profit for you. 15.3 to 13.3, that's $200 per contract. You made $200 on one contract on that automated trade. And again, I look forward to showing you guys all of that as a member.